Start already.
Starting.
Hey guys, this will be the very first video of this channel. It's gonna be unboxing of a Hidden Fates tin with 4 packs inside, and hopefully we get to pull a Charizard. So this shit is sealed, by the way. No reseal nonsense on this channel. And let's get opening. Oh wow! Wow, it's a bit tight. What is this? The Charizard GX Pro. It's very nice. Probably PSA 10 MLP. And we have. Is there anything else inside? So it's just an empty tin with 4 non-resealed Hidden Fates pack, and hopefully we pull something good from this one. Okay, it's the first pack. Wow, very long never open Pokemon packs. It feels very different. Which card is it from the back?
4.
Oh, it's a good sign already. So it's 4, 2, 3, 4. And okay. Pikachu, always nice. We got a Charmander, a Voltorb, an Ekans, and it's the next card, right? And oh wait, we got it's not the next card. We've got Misty's Water Command Holo, and reverse holo this dude. Not bad. Would you say it's a not bad pull? We've hit a holo. Okay, so on to our second pack. Oh my god. Another white card. We're in for business, man.
I think Hidden Fates all white card, by the way.
All
I think so.
Okay. We've got energy, fighting. Ooh, not bad. Block. Another Voltorb. So it's already a good sign. A Cubone. Geodude. EV. Nice. Okay, Jigglypuff. And reverse holo. And oh shit, it's just a stupid Snorlax. Very unlucky pack. Down to our second last pack. Hopefully we get a shiny GX. Hopefully. Another white card. Is it scripted? Okay. What is this? Fairy? Fairy energy. Nothing. Oh, we got the Misty's one, but non-holo. Ekans. Psyduck. Star U. The Fable. Very nice. Slowpoke. And a holo. Is this reverse holo?
Holo Meta Energy, I think.
Holo Metal Energy. And oh! And a Gyarados GX. Full art, right? Is it a normal full art?
Yeah, it looks like
not bad, but it's not shiny, so it's pretty trash. Very unlucky, this tin. Very unlucky. This is our last pack already. And is go time. So far, would you say we have any hits?
Paradox, huh?
That's very bad. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Dark energy. Got a cycle. Metaphor. And Charmander again. How much is this? It's probably $20, guys. Magikarp, everybody's favorite. Slowpoke. Oh, actually I see something. I think I see something. Fairy. Coughing. Oh! Shit! Got a holo shiny return! And. Oh! Hey! This is good, right?
It's not bad.
It's not bad. So, yeah. That's all for our first pack. More to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.